Hi, welcome to Pharma Instinct Clinical Research Interview Question Preparation Part 6. This quiz is based on case record form. You will get 5 seconds to pick the correct answer. The first question is: what is the primary purpose of a case record form, CRF, in clinical research? Here are your options. A. Participant recruitment. B. Data collection. C. Study design. D. Informed consent. Your time starts now. The correct answer is B. Data collection. The primary purpose of a case record form, CRF, in clinical research is to facilitate systematic and standardized data collection during a clinical trial. A CRF is a structured document designed to capture specific information about each participant in the study, including demographic details, medical history, treatment received, and any outcomes or adverse events. The next question is: in clinical research, who is responsible for completing the CRF entries? Here are your options. A. Principal investigator. B. Data manager. C. Clinical research coordinator. D. Clinical research associate. Your time starts now. The correct answer is C. Clinical research coordinator. The responsibility for completing case record form, CRF, entries typically falls on the clinical research coordinator, CRC. The clinical research coordinator is a key member of the research team and plays a crucial role in the day-to-day management of the clinical trial. The next question is: in a CRF, what does the term inclusion criteria refer to? Here are your options. A. Criteria for excluding participants from the study. B. Criteria for including participants in the study. C. Criteria for data analysis. D. Criteria for adverse events. Your time starts now. The correct answer is B. Criteria for including participants in the study. The term inclusion criteria in a case record form, CRF, refers to the specific criteria or characteristics that must be met by individuals to be eligible for inclusion in the study. In other words, it outlines the requirements that a participant must fulfill to be considered part of the research study. The next question is: in a CRF, what does the term randomization refer to? Here are your options. A. Systematic error in data collection. B. Assignment of participants to different study arms by chance. C. Informed consent process. D. Data validation process. Your time starts now. The correct answer is B. Assignment of participants to different study arms by chance. Randomization in the context of a case record form, CRF, refers to the process of assigning participants to different study arms or treatment groups in a randomized and unbiased manner. The next question is: what role does the clinical research coordinator play in the CRF process? Here are your options. A. Data analysis. B. Data collection and entry. C. Protocol design. D. Informed consent process. Your time starts now. The correct answer is B. Data collection and entry. The Clinical Research Coordinator, CRC, plays a key role in the data collection and entry process in the CRF. Their responsibilities include interacting directly with study participants, obtaining informed consent, conducting study assessments, and accurately recording the required data in the CRF. The next question is: what is the primary purpose of the follow-up visits section in a CRF? Here are your options. A. Documenting baseline characteristics. B. Tracking participants' progress over time. C. Recording adverse events. D. Obtaining informed consent. Your time starts now. Correct answer is B. Tracking participants' progress over time. The primary purpose of the follow-up visits section in a case record form, CRF, is to track participants' progress over time. This section is designed to capture data collected during subsequent visits after the initial baseline assessment. The next question is: what is the purpose of the screening visits section in a CRF? Here are your options. A. Documenting baseline characteristics. B. Assessing participant eligibility. C. Recording adverse events. D. Collecting data on follow-up visits. Your time starts now. The correct answer is B. Assessing participant eligibility. The purpose of the screening visits section in a case record form, CRF, is to assess participant eligibility for the clinical trial. During the screening visit, various baseline characteristics and medical history information are collected to determine if a participant meets the inclusion and exclusion criteria specified in the study protocol. The next question is: in a CRF, what does the term baseline characteristics refer to? Here are your options. A. Initial data collected at the start of the study. B. Adverse events occurring during the study. C. Data collected at follow-up visits. D. Statistical analysis plan. Your time starts now. The correct answer is A. Initial data collected at the start of the study. In a case record form, CRF, baseline characteristics refer to the initial set of data collected at the beginning of the study. These characteristics typically include information about the participants' demographics, medical history, and other relevant factors that establish their baseline status before any intervention or treatment is administered. The next question is: what is the purpose of the end of study visits section in a CRF? Here are your options. A. Documenting baseline characteristics. B. Assessing participant eligibility. C. Recording adverse events. D. Closing out the study and collecting final data. Your time starts now. The correct answer is D. Closing out the study and collecting final data. The end of study visits section in a case record form, CRF, serves the purpose of closing out the study and collecting final data. During this visit, researchers may gather information on the participants' overall study experience, any final assessments, and additional data relevant to concluding the study. The next question is: what is the purpose of the study arm section in a CRF? Here are your options. A. Documenting baseline characteristics. B. Describing the different groups or interventions in the study. C. Recording adverse events. D. Collecting data on follow-up visits. Your time starts now. The correct answer is B. Describing the different groups or interventions in the study. The study arm section in a case record form, CRF, is used to describe the different groups or interventions within the study. This section helps categorize participants based on the specific treatment, intervention, or condition to which they are assigned. Thank you for staying till the last. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Remember to press the bell icon and also comment your score down below. To build your career and get more information about clinical research, join our course by calling us on 985-560-3224 or visit www.pfizer.in.